Hi guys, welcome back once again. So the first piece in my riding suit is here, a Dainese leather riding jacket. So far I have been riding with normal riding gears which I was using for my Ninja 300. I was using the same riding gears for my ZX. So I wanted to upgrade myself to leather riding gears for some time, and finally I was able to get a first piece of my proper riding gear, that is a Dainese leather jacket. So this riding jacket has armors for your shoulders, your knees in your arm, and finally behind your neck to prevent your head from hitting the road in case if you fall from your motorcycle. And looking at the leather quality, I have to say the leather is very thick. So I just had my first ride with this leather jacket yesterday. So here's the video for you. So the first time I am riding with my Dainese leather jacket, and I have to say this riding jacket doesn't heat like a normal riding jacket which I was using earlier. This one is very comfortable for me. It is not a snug fit one. It is, I have to say, slightly there is some space between my chest and the riding jacket. So if I was about to get a chest protector and a spine protector, I think this will fit me perfectly. So my initial impressions with this riding jacket are I am very much satisfied with this one. The first thing is safety. Dainese is known for its safety standards. So this is a pretty safe one when compared to the one which I was using previously. And moreover, this is a leather jacket, and the thing is, the color of this riding jacket matches with my motorcycle. It synchronizes very well with my motorcycle and looks great for the zx10r. So these are my initial impressions with this riding jacket. So I just now had a 1 hour drive to my home with this riding jacket on my ZX. And one thing which I found different from my normal riding jacket is I used to profusely sweat with my normal riding jacket, and this leather jacket is completely different. I don't know how, but I was expecting a lot of sweating in the leather jacket, because even in the normal riding jackets we have some pores on the outer surface for entry of air, but here it is completely closed, but still I didn't sweat profusely as much as I used to sweat with my normal riding jacket. All I have to say is I am very much satisfied with this riding jacket, and I am glad that I found one. So if you have not ridden with a leather riding jacket so far, you have to try one. Once you start riding with the leather, you won't go back. I have to say that. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all once again in another video.